Welcome back to SPON Academy. Today, we'll dive into audio and network cables, specifically those commonly used in PA systems. Understanding the different types of cables and their connectors is crucial for setting up your system correctly and ensuring optimal audio performance. First, let's get into network cable, which is the most common cable in the IPPA system. This is ARJ45 connector, a common type of connector used in computer networking by connecting devices to a network, allowing for remote control by software, audio streaming, and firmware updates, etc. Also, if your device supports PoE and connect to a PoE switch, it will deliver both power and data over a single Ethernet cable, simplifying installation and reducing the need for additional power outlets. And now, we'll be understanding audio cables and PA system. This is RCA connector, commonly used for consumer-grade audio equipment, such as DVD player and radio player. You can use this cable to connect the audio source to a preamplifier or mixer. These are TS and TRS audio cable. Both of them's functions are the same, but TRS can be used for balanced or unbalanced transmission, while TS cable only support unbalanced transmission. You can identify them by the ring on the connector. As you can see in this picture, TS cable has 2 black rings while TRS has 3. For PA system, you don't need to know the difference of these 2 cables, except for their appearance, since both of them have the same function. Just remember that they're commonly used for the connection between microphone to the preamplifier or mixer. This is the speaker cable. This cable is specially used to connect amplifiers to speakers. For PA system, it's usually connect with bare wire. Remember to check the amplifier and speaker's polarity before connect. Also, this cable comes with different types of diameter, such as 0.5, 1.0, or 1.5 square millimeter. Normally for higher power speaker, you'll need a thicker wire. We're not going to dive into deep with this knowledge in this video, but here's the diagram for speaker cable selection. Pause the video if you're interested. In today's lesson, we get to know about common cables and connectors in PA system, such as Ethernet cable and its whole function, the 3 types of audio cables, RCA, TS, and TRS, and the common usage of these cables. Lastly, we dive into speaker cables usage and different diameter. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website, www.sponcom.com. Thank you for watching.